Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open your Ford Edge with a manual key. First, find the small release button or lever on your Ford Edge key fob. This is usually on the side or bottom. Press or slide it firmly to release the hidden manual key. Once released, gently pull the manual key straight out from the fob's housing. This key is your essential backup for gaining entry. Now that you have your manual key, let's find the keyhole. On the driver's side door handle, you'll notice a small, often discreet cover. This cover is designed to blend in, so it might not be immediately obvious. Look carefully underneath or at the very end of the handle. It's usually a small, rectangular piece that conceals the traditional keyhole. With your manual key in hand, it's time to reveal the keyhole. Look for a small slot or indentation on the edge of the cover. Insert the tip of your manual key into this slot. Gently pry the cover away from the door handle. It should pop off with minimal effort, exposing the traditional mechanical keyhole underneath. Store the cover safely for reattachment later. Finally, you're ready to unlock your Ford Edge. Insert the manual key completely into the newly exposed keyhole. Turn the key firmly either clockwise or counterclockwise, depending on your vehicle's specific mechanism, until you feel the lock engage. You should hear a click, indicating the door is now unlocked. You can now open the door and access your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.